Thank you, Mr. Milken. I'm sorry I didn't know what your award was. Um, I didn't know we got recognized that heavily, so thank you. Um, you guys, I am absolutely honored to teach at Katherine Dunn. Not just here, all of the schools that I've worked at. I knew at 18 that this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to uh, work with kids, change lives, um, make you a part of my life. I know that I love you here, outside of school. I am super proud of all of you, all of the time. And Allison, I follow her everywhere. I just like, um, she is a wonderful, wonderful leader. She makes it possible for me to be myself and do education the best way that I can. Um, and all of the staff members at this school, you guys are my partners. You are the absolute best teammates I could think of. I cannot get through my days without my team, without all of you. So, Katherine Dunn, go Cougars!